Hi everyone. So we are going to Manas today to buy some Indian stuff, and we thought let's record and show you what do we actually get in Manas. I have Manish with me. Hi everyone. So he will take us through the Manas agent. Sorry. So let's go. लाइटिंग बहुत खराब है बट काम चल जाएगा. एडिटिंग में कुछ ठीक कर देंगे. सो मनीष, आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताइए हमें. यूएसए के आपके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में.
यूएससी का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत सही था स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक, और अभी भी यहाँ पर ही हूँ मैं. ये यूएससी
ये छोड़ने नहीं वाले कैंपस को.
मैं छोड़ने नहीं वाला. मेरा पहले से ही था कि
ये अपने रैंचो
ही रहना है.
ही था रैंचो.
लॉल रैंचो नहीं, बट काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. काफ़ी डिफरेंट था इंडिया से. काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिला. मौज मस्ती भी की, पार्टी शार्टी भी की है. तो ओवरऑल
भाई साहब आज क्रिकेट खेल के आ रहे हैं.
आज क्रिकेट भी खेला बहुत दिनों बाद. तो आज बरोबर हड्डियाँ मस्त नींद आने वाली है. मतलब आप समझ ही सकते हो बाकी सब चीजें
क्या थे आज. ये ऑन कॉल है और भाई साहब क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग मास्क. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
या.
चलो लेट्स क्विकली रीच मानस बिकॉज इट इज गेटिंग लेट. इट्स व्हाट इज टाइम नाउ.
इट्स अराउंड
7:20 7:40. चलो सी यू.
कंटिन्यू करेगा.
चलो 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 चलो. फोकस लॉक कर रहा था. Let's go in. So we have different snacks, like you can see Kurkure, Lays. I mean whatever thing you get in India, right? We have it available over here. You can even see the prices, like it's what Lays is $1.49. Then we have Maggi, vegetable Maggi, normal Maggi, Atta Maggi is 3.49. Then we have different flavor companies like Wow, Maggi Masala. Then what do we have next? Different sizes, 4.99 for a bigger packet. Then we have, what is this? Ching's Hakka noodles, if I'm not wrong. I don't like this, I've never tried, but it's 1.99 for hot garlic. Then you have different soups, most of the product of Ching Chinese. If you want a slower version of this, let me know in the comments. I would definitely love to do that. Then this is the section where all the juices are kept. You have ketchup, juices, real, then even this is a zoomed in version a bit. So you see it's 2.99 for Dabur real juice. Then we have cans of Coke, Sprite. We have Fruity also if you want that. Then we have chutneys. Make sure to pause the video wherever you want to see the price again. Then we have biscuits, Monaco, ready-made poha, broom. Yeah, something which I love, Madras cold coffee. Then let's go through the bhujia section where Haldirams, different variety, I mean whatever you can think of. Just trying to capture the price for you guys. So it's 4.99 for this. Khatta meeta is 4.99, 400 grams. Yeah, just take an informed decision when you're coming, right? If you want to carry it, if you don't want to carry it with you, you have it over here as well. Then let's see, what do we have. We have bhujia by a different company, aloo bhujia. It's 4.99 again. Then we have Britannia toast rusky biscuits, 1.99. Haldiram snacks, khatta meeta. Then some more chips. This entire rack is filled with snacks, chips, bakarwadi. If you're from Pune, you would definitely love that. Then we have banana chips. It's of 6.99. Bale mixtures, different type of rusk available. Then this is the best part, ready made. Then we have, I think, yeah, this is the masala section. Pickles. What is this? I don't know what this is, sorry for that. I think they are all different type of masalas. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, we have pepper, ajwain seeds. Then what do we have next? Guys, make sure to pause the video wherever you want to check the items. Coriander, mustard seeds. Then we have thick poha available over here. So yeah, jams if you are used to jams and pickles. Then we have all masala by MDH. So you need to carry most of them from India. If you have a capacity limit, I mean if you have a shortage of weight, then please don't force yourself to bring them. Just see there are 1.99 MDH masala over here. Yeah, that's it. Now let's give a closer look at the masalas that we have. Chana, pav bhaji, different type of pickles. There's 3.49. One thing, I mean, you should not convert it to Indian rupees when you are thinking for a longer picture. Many people have that. I had a problem. We have ready-made dosa, MTR ready-made stuff available. Then some coconut powder, vermicellis, and exactly same that we get in India. So breakfast should not be a big problem. Yeah, what is this? This is Faluda safe. If you are a papad fan, then we have legit papad also. Soya vadi, sabudana, dalia if you want. We have peanuts. They are in packing of 1 lb. Same again, make sure to stop wherever you want to have a look and then check the pricing. If you want any specific information about these, let me know in the comments. I will capture them when I go next to Manas. Yeah, ready-made. If you don't know cooking, then this will be a bit of help. Ready to eat food. I've not tried it that much, but people say that it's okay, it's adjustable. But yeah, you should definitely learn cooking, at least basic stuff, before coming over here. This entire rack is filled with ready-made stuff. Badam, idli rava, how much? 199. So this is the frozen items. We get parathas. Frozen culture is a lot common over here. We have chapatis frozen over here, and trust me, they are tasty. They are very tasty. You have garlic naans, deep tandoori naan, different varieties of chapatis. These is vegetable, peas, ladyfinger. Everything is frozen, and that's how things are over here. So it's normal. Then what do we have? Let's see. Okay, some beef, I guess non-veg. I am not sure what it is. Sorry. Then we have eggs, cream, lemons, tomatoes. These are the one frozen chapatis, rotis, most commonly used over here. We have yogurt. Then again more cold drinks. Yeah, my favorite, paneer. I mostly have that. Then we have Amul butter, Amul cheese. It's 599. Some more frozen stuff. Masala dosa ready made, 3.49. Baratha vada. Then yeah, we have ready made samosas which are frozen and available. Dal tadka, hara bhara kebab. What is this? Aloo matar puff. Then we have paneer cubes if you want, not the actual paneer. Onion paratha, fulkas. Yeah, now let's see the biscuits that are available. Crackjack, Little Hearts, Monaco. Then let me take you through the entire rack. Then we have Besan. Besan is what, 499 if I'm not wrong. Then we have Ashirvad Atta, so no need to worry about this. If you know cooking, then perfect place. Just buy a 10 lb pack. One thing, when you're planning for the first month budget, make sure that you will have to buy all this at a bulk, so keep that in mind. You can check out my previous video where I've given my first month expense PDF. Sorry, it was Excel sheet, my bad. NutriChoice biscuits, which I mostly take. Rice of different types. Then notice roasted rava. You have some hair products if you want. I think it's Multani Mitti if I'm not wrong. Haldi, I'm not sure. We have hide and seek, yeah, but not for the coffee flavor which I like. Parle G, not so good. In India, we never give vow to it, but here it's very common. See this? We have coffees. Brew is something which I use personally. You can check the prices over here. 699 for a bigger can, bigger bottle, sorry. Sunflower oil, olive oil, ghee. We also have Amul ghee, so no need to bring or worry about it. Sugar, they have cane sugar packets. This is what you get. You have brown sugar. Also, so how much? It's 15.99. Then this is what? This is your parachute oil. Hi Manish. Masala chai. All the dals that you want. Masoor dal. I think the quality of the video is not so good. Yeah, do let me know if you want a better view of this. Bonvita if you still have it. Green tea. Red Rebel. My friend loves it. Moong dal. 799 for a bigger packet. So the only Indian store nearby is Manas. Apart from that, people order from Artasia also. So that is also one option. If you want me to cover about it, how to order it, let me know. I'll do that. Then we have Trader Joe's, Target, Ralph, different options as well. But there you won't get the Indian masales and all that stuff. So we are at the billing counter right now. We have all, yeah, they have some puja material also if you are interested in that. What all do we buy? We bought paneer. I usually make paneer bhurji and use that to make Frankies out of it. Someday I'll show in that vlog also, don't worry. Then we got some parathas and ready-made chapatis. अरे इसका एक्सपायरी देख लो एक बार पनीर का, वो चेक नहीं करता मैंने. Sir, thank you to bring this paneer back.
Oh no.
Because,
2360.
yeah. Do you want to tell anything about the store? More, anything which we don't know? I'm also new to this place.
I'm good.
Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Brinda. I'm the manager here at Manas Indian Restaurant and JH Bazaar Indian Groceries. They both are located side by side and walkable distance from USC. And we have most of the Indian products as you have seen. And we've been in operation since 2006. And whatever Indian dish you want to create in your home, or sometimes if you don't feel like cooking, please give us a call and we'll take care of either way. If you want to cook, we have all the ingredients for it. And if you just want to do takeout, you're busy, tired, don't want to cook, just order from Manas. Either way, we can help you out, and definitely we'll make it as pleasurable as possible. And this will be like your home away from home. Thank you.
How was the experience, man?
Finally,
We have some food to eat.
have some food to eat today.
Bhai, it's terrible. Last from 3 days, we are just wondering what to cook because we don't have frozen food left at home, and even I didn't have frozen chapatis left, and I'm tired of making normal chapatis.
Yeah, so we finally got a couple of packets of chapatis and a curry along with it. for our dinner.
So, plus we got free samosas.
Yeah, we got 3 samosas.
Yeah. It's pretty cold, man. It's pretty cold. Chalo. Do make sure to comment what do you feel about this video. And if you want to know about Manish's experience, please ask him.
Definitely.
Ask him.
Comment in the video
Comment.
we'll let you know about anything.
And what else? Like, share, subscribe. Dude, please subscribe. I have a midterm coming on 11th. That is this Thursday. But I'm doing this. Please subscribe, like. It actually motivates us. Cool then. Bye-bye.